In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations. If you've designed an animated presentation in Canva and want to present it in Microsoft PowerPoint without losing the motion and timing, this workflow will keep everything looking just the way you intended. First, open your animated presentation in Canva. Make sure you've previewed it so you know exactly how the animations and timings should look. This gives you a clear baseline for what you'll expect once it's in PowerPoint. Next, resist the urge to export as a PowerPoint file. If you go to Share and Download and choose the PowerPoint Touch PTX option, your animations will not be preserved. That export flattens or removes motion, so if animations matter, skip that route entirely. Instead, export as an MP4 video. In the File Type menu, select MP4 video, then click Download. This format captures your animations, transitions, and timing precisely as Canva plays them. If there's audio or voiceover in your design, it will be included too. For crisp results on most screens, 1080p is a safe choice. If you want more control slide by slide, export each page as its own video. This lets you place one video per PowerPoint slide and control pacing between them. A quick tip, name each exported file clearly and in order so it's easy to keep everything organized. Now open Microsoft PowerPoint and create a new presentation. If you're adding multiple slides, set up the basic structure first so you can drop in each video where it belongs. Insert your video by going to the Insert tab, choosing Video, and then this device. Select your downloaded MP4 and click Insert. If you exported multiple videos, repeat this on the appropriate slides. This approach preserves animation fidelity while giving you familiar PowerPoint navigation. Resize the video by dragging the corners and fill the entire slide for a full screen effect. Keep an eye on proportions to avoid stretching. If your Canva design was widescreen, filling a widescreen PowerPoint slide should eliminate any black bars. Set the video to play automatically. Click the video, go to the Animations tab, and change Start from On Click to After Previous. This ensures your animation begins as soon as you reach the slide without any extra clicks. For a clean, slide-like look, remove the visible border and controls. Select the video, go to Video Format, then Outline, and choose No Outline. Finally, test your presentation. Start the slideshow, move to the next slide, and confirm your animation plays automatically and looks smooth. That's it. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.